for all the beginners who are above 40 years of age. Follow these simple basic exercises to keep your body going on, to improve your circulation, and to slowly remove away the diseases from your body. Before starting the exercises, inhale and exhale slowly. For 10 to 15 times, and then start with warm-up exercises. First of all, raise your hands up and down. Inhale, exhale for 20 to 30 times. Then half circle, 10 to 15 times, and again anti-clockwise for 10 to 15 times. Then slowly place your fingertips on your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Practice this for 10 to 15 times, and then anti-clockwise again. Inhale, exhale. Remember to touch your elbows every time you make the rounds. Practice this for 10 to 15 times. After every exercise, make a practice of taking 10 to 15 breaths rest. Then slowly, one of your hand on the ground, the other hand raise up and bend a little side. Same on the other side. Practice this for 15 to 20 times. Then this time, place your elbow on the ground and bend sideways. Same on the other side. Practice for 20 to 30 times. After a few seconds of rest, your right palms on your left knee and the other hand stretching down to inhale, exhale. Same on the other side. Inhale, exhale. Practice this for 20 to 30 times. Sit in Dhandasana. Inhale to raise up. Hold your breath for 15 to 20 seconds. And then slowly exhale to calm down. Practice this for 15 to 20 times. Turn your neck down to touch your shoulders. Your ears should touch your shoulders. Do this for 10 to 15 times, and then inhale, exhale. Practice this for 20 to 30 times, and then slowly inhale to raise your hands, come down to touch your feet. Practice this for 20 to 30 times. Before closing your exercises, lie down on your mat for 2 to 3 minutes to relax up your body, or you can sit in this position in Gyan Mudra, quietly closing your eyes to release your stress, to release your anxiety, and to cool up your mind. Practice these exercises regularly. If you keep doing this much of workout, add this much of workout into your daily life every morning, then you will find how happy, how peaceful, and how energetic for the whole day. So remember to practice every day and lead a healthy and happy life.